Custom fit cup and center console liner accessories for Tesla Model 3 2017, 2018, 2019 7PC set, red trim. 5 color options allow you to easily add a cool splash of color to your new Model 3, while a double raised edge design provides umatched protection from minor spills, melted candy, and scratches. To install, simply drop the custom fit mat in the corresponding pocket. Custom Fit Kit is like miniature custom fit rubber floor mats for your cup holders and center console areas. They provide protection from minor spills, crumbs, scratches, and rattling coins. They fit all North American Tesla Model 3s with premium interior option. Note: this purchase does not include a cup holder vinyl wrap, it only includes what is shown in photo number 5. Patent pending design is simple to install, easy to clean, and provides a soft surface to prevent items from rattling in your car's compartments. Includes a hassle-free lifetime warranty, so that you will be protected for the lifetime of your Tesla. If you have any issues or are not 100% satisfied, please contact us. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.